wind will still be blowing. And that is our prayer. That is our prayer for all of those tonight who are suffering in Tibet and all of those who are suffering anywhere. And many of us Australians think, why can't the Chinese see? Why can't the Chinese government see what they are doing? But look at the number of Australian people who cannot understand what it is we talk about when we talk about the stolen generation. Think of the number of people in our society who don't understand. Then perhaps we can get an idea of the Chinese people who can't understand, and it shows how hard it is for us. But like the wind blows right now, the Tibetan culture will live on long after these buildings are touched, and God bless them, God bless their suffering. The thing I've learned about suffering is suffering makes us stronger. Suffering makes us stronger and makes what we are suffering for more valid. So God bless the Dalai Lama and God bless the Tibetan people, and may the Chinese